Hello students, continuing with chapter number 25, Community Health and Hygiene. In last class we learned about community, what is community, what are the importance of maintaining community's health and hygiene. Okay, why maintaining a proper hygiene is very important, because it helps us to maintain our good health. Okay. Basically it promotes good health, no, if you wash your hands, eat proper food, sleep well, so what will happen? You will become healthy, right? You will be a fit and fine person. Now today we are going to continue the chapter, page number 134 in your EVS textbook, and very important topic. See, you children are becoming big, so you should try and understand now what is right and what is wrong for you. Okay, so that's why I think this chapter will help you to choose what is correct and what is incorrect, what is wrong for you. Okay, so let us start. Page number 134. See, tobacco consumption. What is tobacco consumption? What is tobacco, children? See, you can see in the picture names of tobacco products such as gutka, cigarette, beedis, masheri, mawa, pan masala, etc. You must have heard all this name, no? Or you must have seen all these pictures. Okay, this all are different types of consuming a tobacco. This all are tobacco products. Okay, gutka. Okay, tobacco product. Now, this is a very good product or a bad product? Smoking is a good product. Eating all this beedi, smoking cigarette, beedis, pan masala, gutka, mawa, all these are good product or bad product? They make you strong and healthy, or they harm your body? Come on, tell me. Think about it. See, children, side effects of tobacco addiction. What happens when you start consuming tobacco? जब आप tobacco खाना start करते हो, यूज़ करना start करते हो, तो क्या होता है? क्या हो जाता है? आप एकदम strong बन जाते हो? You become healthy? No. See, slowly. See, you can see the first picture. When you start smoking, you look very stylish, okay? But see, your lungs, slowly, it will become, see, it is getting damaged because of smoking. You can see black, grey color it has become. So all this tobacco, tar, it produces a tar product, okay, that goes and stick to your lungs. So you will have lots and lots of problem. See, you will have yellow teeth, heart diseases, your heart will not function properly, you will have lots of problem. Then hardened blood cells. See, your body has these veins, no, all these blood cells, your blood flows, no, all over the body. So all these things will become hard and dried up. Then brain stroke, your brain will not function properly, you will get lung cancer. People who smoke, consume tobacco product, what all problems they face? Then stomach, intestine cancer. All this will, just one cigarette can harm you so much. So there are people who smoke 12 to 15 cigarettes, 20 cigarettes every day. So imagine how much they are damaging their body. So now you all are becoming big, no? You're the future of our country. So you have to decide what is good for you, good for your body, and what is bad for your body. Okay. So see this picture properly and you will understand what is correct for you. So you have to say no to tobacco, right? If any of your friends says, अरे मस्त है, try करो, it is very good, you मज़ा आएगा, कुछ नहीं, मम्मी को नहीं पता चलेगा when you will grow up. Okay, so you should what you should do? You should say no. No to tobacco. If anybody forces you, you have to say no. I am not. Please don't give me, and even you stop smoking. Okay, or chewing this pan masala. This all are harming you, and if you are unwell, your family will be also getting affected. Okay. Second topic is alcoholism. What is alcoholism? Drinking habit. Not drinking milk and water, okay? Or juices. Alcohol means daru. Okay, and if you don't understand the word alcohol, so daru, if you understand, then that's the Hindi word for you. So drinking alcohol also has adverse effect in your body. See, you can see this picture in the chart. You can see that man is drinking alcohol. So if you are drinking lots of alcohol, what will happen? Your brain will not function properly. You will have memory loss, mood swing, dementia. Then see, different things. Your lungs, you will have breathing problem. Your lower level of nitric oxide. Liver will be swollen. Liver cirrhosis. Hepatitis means jaundice. Liver cirrhosis means your liver will be damaged. Then heart problems, high blood pressure. Your muscles will become weak. Muscle wasting means if you walk from one place to just you will walk half kilometer or just cross the road, you will be tired. Your muscles will be tired. You will get all of a sudden you will feel very weak. Your body will not support you. Okay, then your pancreas will be damaged. Okay, so stomach ulcer, chronic gastrics, you will always have acidity problem, then vomiting. If you're drinking too much, then people who drink too much face all this problem. So and all, what else will happen? The condition of the addict becomes pathetic, and the addict's family too has to suffer with them. See, this man is drinking, but all this will have side effects on his family, on his wife, on his children, on his mother, on his father. Okay, even the neighbors. Because when you drink, sometimes you're not in your senses and you do things which are not appropriate. Okay. So, chewing tobacco, smoking cigarette or beedies, taking snuff, rubbing masheri are all bad habits. Okay, this all are bad habits, and you're wasting your money in things which are not good for you. You could have saved that money for your family, no? So indirectly you're wasting your hard earned money. So people need to understand that smoking, drinking have lots and lots of side effects. There are only side effects, there are no good effects. It is the invitation to death. Drugs, tobacco and alcohol use and are invitation to death. So you get invitation for wedding, you get invitation for birthday party, you get invitation for your annual day, no? So smoking, drinking, smoking cigarette and drinking alcohol gives you invitation to death. So people who drink, smoke are indirectly getting invitation or directly getting invitation to death. So you have to choose. Tobacco, drugs and alcohol produce a state of intoxication. Addiction to any of them eventually kills you. Every person should be aware of the ill effects of this addiction and strictly stay away from them. There are people who lure others into smoking, drinking or trying out drugs. On no account should we give in to their pressure. Okay, pressure. There are people, there are friends, there are neighbors. They will say, "Arey, try karo, kuch nahi hoga." You will enjoy, you will feel pleasure No, say no to them. See, there are so many side effects of it. You will weight gain, mood swing, missing work, high blood pressure, slowed reaction, anxiety, memory loss, impotency. So many side effects there. There are no good effects. See, your friends will say, do it, try it. But you have to say no. Learn to say no. If someone is telling you do this, and which you know, which your mind says, which your heart says, no, it is wrong. So you should say, no, I will not. Please don't give me. I don't want this. And in fact, you should tell them, even you don't do it. See, children, those who take drugs, see their condition. You will not feel positive in life. You will always feel negative. See, it is dangerous. Basically, it is dangerous. See, you need, after some years, they will say, help me. By the time your body has already turned into a skeleton, nobody can help you. आप इंसान से कंकाल बन चुके हो, तो कोई आपको हेल्प नहीं करने वाला है. सेल्फ हेल्प इज रिक्वायर्ड. You can control yourself. Nobody else can control you. And don't let the drugs to control your body. Okay? Just say no. Drug addiction, no. Informing your family members where you're going. See, you can try and bring little changes in yourself when you will become big, or now also. Informing your family members where you're going, when you will be back, telling the truth, fiddling with one's hair, a pencil, etc. all the time, biting one's nail, making the school bag ready the night before, frequently forgetting one's umbrella, raincoat, pencil, pen, etc. Putting a limit on TV time and sticking to it. See, all these small changes will bring positive changes in you. Okay? Or anybody. Always remember, learn to say no firmly in order to avoid bad habits. You have to learn to say no. Okay, children? Now you all are small, but slowly when you will grow up, there will be friends or any uncle or anyone, any elder people who might tell you, try this, do this, do that, but you have to learn to say no. Okay, children? In this chapter, we have learned each person should put in efforts to maintain the community health. We must be alert with respect to matter of public health. Wholesome living leads to good personal and social health. One need to be firm with oneself to avoid bad habits. See, good habits, bad habits are all in our hand. You know, we are the ruler of our life. Nobody else is the ruler of our life. So you have to choose the correct path. Through this chapter, I'm just trying to bring a small awareness, as you all are in 5th standard. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.